Hello, good morning, guys. So I just want to show you this video of my fish tank setup at my home. So I had set this one in a small plastic basin, and you can see I have some guppies and a platyfish. I had few zebras fish, but we died unfortunately. Uh, I'll just show you my simple setup. So at the sides you can see this is a money plant. I just dipped the roots into the water. That's it. So that the roots will grow and it will create some spaces for the fishes. And as for see, there is a small broken pot I placed below, and inside I filled gravel and other substance, other rocks and all. And that's the water plant which I bought from the nearby aquarium shop. And if I am to show you my filter setup, the filter setup is actually um, taken from my cat's drinking fountain. It's a small pump, connect with a small LED lamp and with a flower like top, which acts as a fountain. I will show you my water setup, filter setup. So I took a small bottle and placed two holes, and inserted two hoses and covered it with M-seal so there is no leakage. And I filled with different layers of gravel, sand, activated charcoal, sand, and again charcoal, like that in multiple layer. Let me turn on this one. See, now you can see my water fountain. Before my tank used to get like a green color in 1 week itself because of the algal formation, but after using this simple homemade filter technique, I'm able to get a clear water for my fish setup always. So you can also make this one at home. It hardly costs you very less amount. Look for like a submersible pump with a very low power, like a 2 watts or 4 watts, somewhere like that, and a few hoses and a small bottle like that. It will cost less than 300 to 400 rupees, and I can set it up and always get good water. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.